Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select entire tables at once in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I select entire tables at once in this presentation. At first I have to select a cell like this, then press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Now you can see I select entire table at once. You can also these tables select at once to another way. Drag on your mouse on this table. Now click, now move this table. Now you can see I select entire tables at once in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.